Hello, my name is Autumn, and the microbe I will be presenting on today is Epstein-Barr virus, also known as EBV. So, what is Epstein-Barr virus? It is a highly contagious viral infection that causes mononucleosis and a variety of other symptoms. And this virus is found all over the world. In fact, about 90% of the world's population is infected with Epstein-Barr virus right now, and most of these infections typically occur during childhood. And not every single individual who is infected with EBV will experience symptoms. This is called being asymptomatic, but when individuals do experience symptoms, they can expect things like fever, fatigue, sore throat, swollen lymph nodes, especially in the neck area, rash, headache, muscle aches or weakness, and then in more extreme cases, enlarged spleen or liver. And Epstein-Barr virus is primarily transmitted through saliva. This means that it can be transferred when an infected person kisses a non-infected person, or when they share drinks or food or items like toothbrushes. Transmission can also occur when somebody uh, is in contact with an item or surface that has saliva containing the EBV virus. So, how does Epstein-Barr virus cause disease in humans? It starts with transmission, which is when saliva from an infected individual enters the body of a non-infected individual through kissing, sharing food or drinks, or anything like that. And then the EBV will infect epithelial cells in the oropharynx and B lymphocytes. The virus will replicate within those epithelial cells, eventually causing cell lysis. And when those cells break open, it exposes the neighboring epithelial cells to those viral components, allowing for the spread of infection. And then EBV will infect B cells via the CD21 receptor and express the viral genes in the B cell. And this is what allows the latency, which is what makes it so the virus can persist in the body and stay in the body after multiple years. And after this, a immune response typically occurs. This is when cytotoxic T cells are activated and attack those infected B cells. And this immune response is what causes the symptoms like fever, fatigue, and infectious mononucleosis. But unfortunately, there is no cure for EBV. Treatment primarily involves alleviating symptoms. So, treatment may include rest, hydration, over-the-counter pain relievers, avoiding strenuous exercise, and corticosteroids. And then the last thing I have for you is just a couple fun facts about Epstein-Barr virus. It is part of the herpes virus family, and it is also referred to as the kissing disease, mainly because it is spread through saliva. It can be reactivated and cause symptoms years after the initial infection. And then EBV was the first human virus linked to cancer. And then the last interesting fact I have for you is that EBV was discovered by Michael Epstein, Yvonne Barr, and Bert Achlong in 1964 when they were studying Burkitt lymphoma cells. That's all I have for you. Thank you for listening.